guys, it's Layla. I'm playing with Why2k.
What are you doing? It's already recording.
I'm just kidding. I just wanted to mess with you. That would be a good plan.
Layla's trying to steal.
I was trying to steal Blake. Shut up, Blake. He's got it.
What's up, guys? It's Blake with Why2k. I'm on the wrong side of the road. Right-hand drive. Wrong side of the road. Wrong side of the car. Anyways, welcome to today's video. I've got Layla with me. We have bought the Mitsubishi Delica at Japanese Classics in exchange. Has offered to let me drive a couple of their cars. One being this beautiful 1994 Mitsubishi. I can't say Mitsubishi. Evolution.
Okay.
Mitsubishi Evolution 2 GSR. This thing's freaking awesome. It looks very unassuming. It has like a little rear spoiler. You got a front mount with some hood vents on the front. But otherwise, it's like a pretty stock looking, like it just looks like a Lancer. But I just started driving it, and it's really, really awesome. Like everything feels like a go-kart in here. The power, let's see. Oh yeah, it's got some power. So we'll get on it a little bit, not too much. And as you guys know, this is the legendary 4G63 motor that's been in, like, you know, Mitsubishi's forever. I believe DSM's and Evos have this engine, and it's just a really cool motor. This car made 252 horsepower in 1993 when it debuted, which is a lot for 1993. And it did 0 to 60 in around 5 seconds. So even for modern day, you know, times, that's pretty much what a new STI would do, 0 to 60 in. But it feels like a little go-kart. The seats are Recaros from the factory. And Layla's already commented, they're very, very snug and comfy.
Huggable.
The steering feel is, you know, very 90s, but a lot of feel. Hydraulic steering. It feels, you know, like you would expect a 90s Japanese car to feel. I know everything that's going on in the road. The chassis feels very stable. As far as the stiffness, it's stiff, but it's not too stiff. I really like the sound of the engine. The exhaust sounds really, really good. And I could definitely see myself like doing a stage 3 rally in this thing, you know. I was telling Layla I need to go to rally school. I think that'll make for a great video, but more importantly, very fun.
A great experience for you.
And her brother lives in Seattle, and I think that's where Dirtfish Rally School is. Alright guys, let's check out the power level a little bit. Faster than like a stock Bug-Eye WRX to me. I'm sure it weighs a lot less. From what I remember of driving those cars when I was a teenager, they had a lot of lag, and this doesn't seem very laggy. But it feels, you know, the interior is kind of basic Mitsubishi, which I like. It's very simple. The shifter feel, it's kind of a longer throw, which you would expect in a 90s car, but it's very precise. You can feel everything you're doing. And it's just overall, it's a really nice car. I really like everything about it, and it makes me feel like a race car driver, which is important. A lot of fun. Works great. That's good. It's got power mirrors, power everything. It's got an OG double-din stereo, which is a CD and a tape player combo. Remember when they had to do it separately? Look at that. That's really, really cool. The AC is ice cold, extremely important. It's got a turbo timer and an exhaust, and other than that, it's pretty much a stock car. I've never got to drive anything besides like an Evo 10, so it's really cool to drive something that's, you know, vintage JDM. Okay, so overall impressions of the Evo 2. Feels like a little go-kart, like a little all-wheel drive go-kart. The power is very good in stock form, like it's quick enough to have some fun. I'm sure on $1,000 JDM car that not a lot of people are going to have. Super unique. You show up to a meet or whatever, everyone is not going to have one of these. Alright guys, well I hope you had an amazing time on today's video, riding along with us in the 94 Evo 2 GSR. I'm sorry Layla didn't get to give more of her opinion on the car. We have a limited amount of time to do this today. We've got to drive to Asheville to Delic after this and start making our way back to Florida. She doesn't know a lot about this car, but from what I can tell, she seems to like it. She likes the seats. She's a seat person. But either way, we hope you guys had a great time. We look forward to seeing you guys next video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and set it to all. That way you get every single video we do. And we look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.